G'day you mob, how's it going? Pete here from Aussie English, the #1 place for anyone and everyone wanting to learn Australian English, wanting to wrap their heads around the weird dialect of English that is Aussie English. Today is another installment of the Aussie Slang series where I teach you slang words, slang expressions that are used by Australians, fair dinkum, true blue Aussies, so that when you're speaking English, you'll understand them when you hear them, but you can also use them to sound a little more Australian and put a smile on that Aussie's face, or just to confuse a lot of Americans, right? Let's be honest here. So today I want to teach you the slang term bad trot. A bad trot. Often you'll use this in the sense of having a period of misfortune, having a difficult time. You've been having a bad trot. I guess the idea is that maybe you're a horse and you're trotting along, right? Little sort of trotting is like halfway between walking and running. I think it's kind of like you're sort of moving quickly, but you're not quite running, you're trotting. And we tend to use it for animals. Animals like cattle, sheep. I guess you could probably use it for a dog, but I think mostly horses, you would say. The horses, it's gone from walking to trotting and then to galloping, right? Hopefully that makes sense. So if you've been having a bad trot, you've been having a difficult time. So maybe you meet someone and they say, you know, I lost my job a month ago and then I found out I've got cancer. I've been having a bit of a bad trot recently. And that's probably an understatement. If that's an example where it's a bit more than a bad trot. All right, maybe another example, a better example would be I twisted my ankle, which I've actually done. Let's see if I can show you. Twisted my ankle. I twisted my ankle playing with my kid in the yard. I can't work out. And I am also, a little bit under the weather at the moment. I'm feeling sick. So recently, I've been having a bad trot. I've been having a difficult time. It's been a period of misfortune. So there you go, guys. That is the expression a bad trot. To have a bad trot, to have been having a bad trot, it means to have been having a period of misfortune, right? Where you haven't been lucky. It's been a bit of a difficult time. So my challenge as always is see if you can use this in a comment below. That's the best way of sort of retaining this kind of information. Use it straight away. Write it down on a piece of paper, write it out in your own words, use it in a comment below, and you will internalize it and remember it more easily in the future going forward. Apart from that, guys, don't forget I release a second episode every single week in the slang series that is for members of the Premium Podcast or the Academy. If you would like to learn more about those memberships, where you will get a hell of a lot of English learning material and they will help you level up your English quickly, check them out up here, or you can go down into the description below and click the links. And for everything else Australian English, go to aussieenglish.com.au. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.